Property flip. The property flip is an investment strategy in which you purchase a property, increase the value, and sell the property, generating a profit. There are a couple of ways that the price of a property can be increased. 1. A light refurbishment, which typically includes decoration and some upgrading. 2. A full refurbishment can include changing the internal layout, installing a new kitchen and/or a bathroom. 3. Adding an extension to a property, increasing its size and square footage. 4. Changing the use of the property. A great example of this is changing it from commercial to residential. 5. Splitting the property into more properties, typically apartments. Pros. This strategy is available to property investors at different stages of their journey, and with different appetites of risk. Newbie investors may start with a light refurbishment, whilst mogul investors may look to extend or change the use of the property. Property flips can generate very healthy returns. Typically, investors look for a minimum of 20% return based on the property value. A lot of newbie investors start property flips as a part-time project and can manage this alongside their full-time job. Cons. It is important to keep control of costs, as they can spiral out of control should the project not be managed closely. Property flipping is a very competitive market, often meaning margins become tight and the target of a 20% return isn't achieved. Keep in mind that if you are flipping a bigger project, the market could change before you have completed the project, making it more difficult to sell if the market has slowed. Tips. Instruct a detailed survey. Carry out a gas and electric check to ensure there are no hidden surprises when you start the work. If you are doing a larger property flip, get your builder tied into a contract. The most commonly used type is a JCT, meaning a Joint Contract Tribunal. This protects you from going over budget and hitting the timescale set. Don't get emotionally attached when carrying out a refurbishment. It's all about the numbers.